In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books. This is a very useful report because it helps you clearly understand how your business is performing over a selected period of time. A profit and loss statement, sometimes called an income statement, shows your income, your expenses, and ultimately whether your business made a profit or a loss. In Zoho Books, generating this report is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Once you've signed in and the dashboard has loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization or company profile if you manage more than one. That way, the report you generate will reflect the right business data. Next, look for the Reports section in the main menu and click on it. This area contains all of the financial and accounting reports available in Zoho Books, so it's where you'll go anytime you need insights into your company's finances. After opening the Reports section, find and click Profit and Loss. This will open the profit and loss statement for your business. Once the report is on screen, you can adjust specific parameters to customize the information you want to see. For example, you may want to change the reporting period so you can review this month, last quarter, or a full financial year. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to refine how the data is displayed, so the report is more useful for your review, internal tracking, or sharing with your accountant or team. This customization step is important because the value of the report depends on the time frame and details you choose. If you're checking short-term performance, a monthly view can be helpful. If you're analyzing broader trends, a longer date range may give you a clearer picture of how income and expenses are changing over time. And that's it. Once you open the profit and loss report and adjust the specific parameters you need, your statement is ready to review. From there, you can use the report to better understand your revenue, control expenses, and monitor overall business performance. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to quickly create a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books whenever you need it.